Hi everyone, today I am doing the Governor Markham Victorian District walk. It's 1.4 miles, so it's about a 35-minute walk, and it's a 9-minute bike ride, and it is just east of Orange Grove in Pasadena. So these houses are pre-1900 houses, and when Pasadena was first founded, it was known as the Indiana Colony, which was in 1874. This area is also called Millionaires Row. They are mainly like Victorian style houses. Some of these houses used to be hotels. Also in the area there's the American Red Cross and the Tournament of Roses. So the next time you see me, I will be at the Governor Markham Victorian District walk in that area, and I will see you there. So this is 346 Markham Place. It's the BLANKENHORN LAMPHEAR house, and the architect is unknown. So this is 337, and it's the MCPHERSON house. The Tournament of Roses Association, which was formerly the Wrigley House in 1911. It's on Orange Grove Boulevard. .353 is part of the MacDonald apartments that were made in 1927 on California Boulevard. Okay, so that was the end of this walk, and I will see you in the next video.